Hello students, this is a question from chapter electrostatics which is asked in JEE Main 2006. So question says that an electric dipole is placed at an angle of 30 degree in a non-uniform electric field. The dipole will experience. We have four options. We can use the torque due to dipole here, the concept of dipole here. So we know that torque experienced by a dipole is equal to P cross E or P is sin theta. Now we have given a dipole which is placed at an angle 30 degree in a non-uniform electric field. Electric field is non-uniform. So it will experience a force Q into E here and another force Q into E here. So as the electric field is non-uniform, these forces are not equal. So this will rotate, and also because of non-uniform electric field, it will have translatory motion also. So this will experience both rotation and translatory motion. So this is our option. We have both translatory motion and rotation motion. So that means both torque as well as translation force. So the option is D. So correct answer is D. To know more about the concept of dipole, you can watch the video here. It's of small duration, and you can go through books NCERT, page number 31, line number 10, then HC Verma and also DC Pandey, and you can get more questions here. Thank you students.